After months of declined spending in market and with businesses poised for consumers to return, what better time for your business to re-engage with customers than when the entire country is in a celebratory mood? The festive season, estimated at thousands of crores, is the largest spending period of the year, and you need to ensure that you are promoting your business to capture your share of this pie. And we at Mirchi 98.3 FM Kannada and Mirchi 95 FM Hindi are here to provide support and to help businesses like you reach out to potential customers, thus increasing your sales. With a restricted buying capacity and a limited market, it has become even more important for businesses to market their products and services so that potential clients are aware of your products or services and choose you over your competition when the time comes for them to purchase. Our massive network of radio stations and 38 million listeners have cemented our position as the nation's favorite radio station and have ensured that we are not just number one in the top 5 cities, but that we are the number one radio station in the country. Here are a few things that work in your favor. Mirchi 98.3 FM Kannada and Mirchi 95 FM Hindi has got 33 lakh more listeners than its closest competition in the country. We are the clear number one station in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Pune and Kolkata. Every week, more than 3.8 crore Indians listen to our radio stations. We also have over 4 million fans on Facebook. And our 170 RJs transcend across regions and languages as popular influencers. A bouquet of 24 online radio stations. Over the past few months, the frequency of people listening to radio in a week has increased from 4 days to 6 days. That is 55% more listenership. Our listeners have been spending almost 1.5 hours listening to radio on average every day. So if you're looking for the most hyper-local platform to connect to your customers, then Mirchi 98.3 FM Kannada and Mirchi 95 FM Hindi is the answer. Because no other medium covers your city like we do. Your potential customers are clearly connecting to Mirchi 98.3 FM. And this is the best time for your brand to be seen on our network. This is the time to let the leading radio network in the country help you grow your business. At Mirchi 98.3 FM, our aim is simple. We want to help you get back to business in an affordable, compelling and cost-effective manner, especially during the most prosperous time of the year. We have developed special festive season packages which offer marketing solutions designed specifically for your business to leverage our massive audience during this crucial time. Your sales consultant will take you through today's incredible offers and examples of creatives at the end of this video presentation. We are here to help you get your business on track to increase sales this festive season. In times of need, you need to demonstrate to your customers how you can make a difference. In difficult times, you can cement a lifelong relationship. We can be stronger when we work together as one team. Thank you for joining us here today. We wish you a safe and prosperous festive time, and we know our proactive solutions will help position your business for ongoing success.